Hey, Lily. Oh, she just had a little bit of a surgery. I'm back at the old salvage yard north of the city of Pittsburgh because I just got a phone call from the gentleman who owns the property. He's clearing it out, he's getting rid of old trucks, scrapping them, and to my surprise, he had called me and told me that he pulled out our old International, is ready to be towed. So I contacted the tow company. They asked me for some photos and videos, so I ran up here, and that's what I'm doing today, making sure that all of the tires hold air. And I thought this was kind of interesting because my grandfather's not doing too well, and while he was in the hospital, I was visiting him, and I got this phone call. I thought that was, you know, what are the odds? Whether it's a coincidence, it's a sign. So I really want to dive into this project, and if you guys are interested in seeing this, if you like what you see here, I'm about to turn you around and show you, but hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because I'm trying to convince my father that this is a good idea, because he thinks that it's a horrible idea, and then we're gonna just have a big money pit on our hands, or an eyesore at the shop. And I kind of see quite the opposite. Patina's in, people like it, it's a great billboard rolling down the road to those old antique truck shows that I enjoy. Anyways, enough of that. Let me turn you around and show you exactly what it looks like here. There she is, guys. Isn't she beautiful? Doing a quick walk around. You guys can see that from the back. They did bungee the doors for me, but I'm gonna have to do something a little better than that whenever that time comes. A lot rougher than I thought. So unfortunately she is in rougher shape than I initially thought, but we still wanted to give it a shot. He was going to go ahead and scrap everything, and I really didn't want that to happen, so I thought, this is my opportunity, I gotta take it. How about it? That patina is beautiful. If I could get this thing back on the road and salvage it, it's gonna be really nice. I know I could salvage the body, the box that is. That would be pretty easy to do. Some welding. Cab and the motor, that will be to be determined once I tear into it. Maybe we'll see if we could get her running for us. But right now I am just out here trying to see what it would take to get it towed and send some pictures and videos to the tow company. Now the gentleman who owns the tow company said he wanted to pull it from the bumper, but was afraid that he might damage it. I don't think there's really anything I need to worry about that I can't just hammer out later. It might make things a lot easier on me. Anybody who knows if these are split rims, let me know in the comment section below. Things are looking a little rough in there. You guys can see in there. It's in really good shape inside the cab. Underneath looks a little rough. Don't worry, the drive shaft is in the cab under the bench seat. That drive shaft has been sitting underneath the seat in the cab since I was a kid. I remember playing with the truck inside and out and everything, and seeing the drive shaft. So when I opened up the cab and saw it, I was amazed. But we were gonna have to do something a little bit better about strapping this. You guys will see that in the next video, hopefully really soon here. Hoping within a week I could get this back home and get her washed up and see what we could do about clear coating the paint job here. Well, there she is, guys. Our old International Loadstar. She's been pulled out. You guys can see all the way around her now. In the last video, you weren't able to do that. And she looks really, really good. I'm very stoked on how she looks. She does look a little rougher than I thought, but you know what? I gotta try. I kind of saw this as a sign. My grandfather wasn't doing too hot, and while I was at the hospital visiting him, I got the phone call saying that this gentleman who owns the property here had pulled the truck out and it was now ready to be towed back. And he was also getting rid of a lot of the stuff that was here, so it was going to be scrapped. You know, for a couple $100 to get it towed back to the shop, I gotta try, right? And you know, if you guys want to see this come to fruition, what will help this build tremendously is if you guys hit that like button for me and subscribe to the channel, because I gotta convince my father that this is worth it. And if you guys are hitting that like button, you're sharing this video, if you're letting me know in the comments section below what's going on, what you think, it's going to help him see that this is a really cool idea and will help me push this forward, because I really think that we need to bring a piece of our history back. It's not a big truck, it's an 18-footer, so it's not like it's too much. Yeah, it's just basically a big pickup truck with a huge body on it. So I don't know, have you guys ever done a restoration on this? I mean, please let me know if there's anywhere I should be looking for help or guidance on this. So I think it's going to be a big undertaking, but I think it's something that I can do.